Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play this Komsa song by the name of Komsa, okay, by Siji. The bass line in the song is very easy, but I don't really like it. So I will show you this bass line for this song, but then I will also show you my preferred bass line goes like this. La 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 do fa, so 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 do fa, okay? 6 6 1 4 5 5 5 1 4. Bass line that I prefer how to play. What I prefer is this. I want to add some octave because I want to, make it more melodic, okay, more rhythmic. The way I like to play bass line is if there was no other instrument in the song, I still want it to sound full. That's my type of bass line I like to play, okay? If there was no horn, if there was no guitar, I want the bass line to be able to stand on its own and still make some complete sense. Six 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 4 5 4 2 5 2 3 6 5 4 2 5 5 4 2 5.